Want to get ahead on your health? Make your taste buds bloom with this cauliflower fried rice. Select a tight head with no brown spots. There's a lot of notable C's in this video. C for cauliflower, obviously. But what about vitamin C? 1 cup of cauliflower has around 73% of your daily value. Hand shred it to make it look like rice. You can do it with friends, but you can have a lot of fun doing it alone. Grease up a hot pot. Fall into a vitamin K hole with chopped scallions. Do some mushrooms that help protect you from disease and infections. Boost your iron levels with snap peas. The aroma will accelerate your desire to eat it. Support your eye health with shredded carrots. And finally, throw in that worked up cauliflower. Did I mention this cruciferous veggie has almost 10 times less carbs than rice? Put your back into it, but try not to get your hair in it. Then season it with tamari sauce or liquid aminos, and add a splash of sesame oil.